G'day there. We're just going to try and do an example of how to do some short division. So I've got an example question over here, and it is, if I had 182 tennis balls to share with a class of 7 students, how many do they each get? So it's about, division's all about sharing. We're going to do this as a short division problem. So I've got 182 tennis balls and I want to divide them or share them between 7 students, and I'm trying to work out how many each person would get. So that's the unknown here. That's what we're going to try and work out. If I'm doing short division, I want to set it up like this. So I want my number here, 182. Give myself a bit of space between each of my numerals, just so I've got some working out, some room to play. And I'm dividing them by 7. So I'm trying to share my tennis balls out between 7 people. I'm just going to change colours here to show my working out. I'll do it in blue. So my first step then is I look here and I try and go, so remember I'm doing this problem, but it's set up like this. And we actually work from left to right, so going across in this direction. So I start with the 7, and I say to myself, 7, can I divide that by 1? Can I go 1 divided by 7? No, I can't. Not with the whole number. So then I have to use that 1 and take it over to my 8, and now it becomes 18. So in my head here, what I'm doing is 18 divided by, and you don't have to write this if you can do it mentally, divided by 7. What does that give you? I can do that twice with 4 left over. Okay, so I need to say, yep, I can do that twice. But hang on, there's only 4 left over. There's still 4 that I haven't used. I've only used 14 here. So 2 7s are 14. The difference between 14 and 18 is 4. So I need to remember this remainder of 4 over here. I'm going to cross these out as I go along. I've done them. I need to remember my 4 from the remainder down here. Then my final step is I go 42 divided by 7. How many 7s are there in 42? I know my times table facts that 7 6s are 42. So 42 can be divided by 7, and each person would get 6. So my final answer, and I would have no remainder there. No remainder there. So to answer my question, I had 182 tennis balls to share with a class of 7 students. How many do they each get? It is 26. I can put that up the top. We've worked it out using our short division. There's one final way that I can check if this makes sense, using if my answer is correct, using the link between division and multiplication. I can go 26 times 7, and that should equal 182. So that's my final way of checking there. I hope that's helped you. Have a go on your own. Let us know in the comments how you go with your short division problems.